Alright guys, here are some of the staples I always incorporate on my chest day. I always start off with incline dumbbell bench press. The reason I like this one, it hits all three heads of the pec. And most important one, the upper pec, because it's the hardest to build. And now that our pecs are filled with some blood, I like moving onto the isolation exercise, the pec deck. The reason I love the pec deck so much is you can get a deep stretch. Look at that stretch right there, guys. Basically stretching out part of your fascia, meaning more blood goes in the muscle. As you know, the more blood that enters the muscle, the bigger the muscle will get. Look at my chest there, guys. Look how fucking big and juicy I am. If you want to look like this, make sure you incorporate all these exercises, okay? And last but not least, I love the machine chest press. The reason I like this one is you can load up the weight, do some drop sets, and just finish off with a great burn, resulting in a big and blocky chest. Oh yeah, look at that chest. Fucking big and juicy. And the final exercise for the chest day is a tricep rope extension. The reason I love the rope extension so much because you can pretty much pick which head of the tricep that you want to isolate just by simply using different hand positions. So for instance, if I want to hit the outer head, I put my hands a little bit lower, upper head, hands a little bit higher. So if you guys want some big and beefy triceps, make sure you incorporate this exercise in your next chest day, okay guys? Happy lifting.